gonna dump? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Oh my God! That was awesome. See that? Oh my God!
Is that pretty cool?
Did you see that thing right and then it like sprayed the whole entire park.
Serious? Is this
Yes!
like fun or what? Well, I got our room key. We can go in right now.
Really?
Yeah, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Here, let's find it on the map. These are your wristbands that you'll need to wear all day. This is how we get into our room, and this is how you get entrance into the water park. Okay?
What?
And we also have some trick-or-treat tickets, because we're going to go trick-or-treating tonight.
Really?
Yes.
Where?
Here's our room number.
Well, how are we going trick-or-treating?
You'll see, you'll see. I brought your costumes.
But I didn't get a hug my vampire.
I know, we don't have your vampire teeth, but we at least have your dress. Now 5-0.